welcome to my channel. So before we get into it, I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this portion of the video. So Motley Fool is a company that provides outstanding stock recommendations and resources, and owning stocks in different companies can help you potentially gain wealth along with many other things. So a goal Colton and I have for this year is to gain more knowledge on the stock market, and I knew that Motley Fool would be perfect for that. And the Motley Fool Stock Advisor is great because they offer access to their library of expert stock recommendations. It recommends new stocks and lets you know which ones they believe are the best stocks to buy. And Stock Advisor's average stock picks have returned over 500%. So I'm really excited to gain more knowledge about the stock market and how it can be beneficial with helping us reach our financial goals. So if you have any interest of learning more, you can visit fool.com/NitraaB and access a special offer from the Motley Fool and hopefully begin the journey of living smarter, happier, and richer. Again, big thank you to the Motley Fool for sponsoring this portion of the video. So yeah, I'm hoping that gaining a little bit more knowledge in the stock market will help us make a little extra money, and it can go towards some of the renovations that we plan on doing this year. So in this video, I'm gonna take you guys around the house and I'm gonna show you different spaces and let you know the different ideas that we have for renovations. So you guys know we moved into this house about 3 years ago and we have made so many changes, but there's still a lot of things that we want to do. So I just want to take you around and let you know what we plan on doing, because I definitely want to start taking you guys along the process. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I wanted to share one of the very first things that we decided to do to our home in 2021, and that was add a new roof. So we've already done that, and you guys, it made such a huge difference. So I just wanted to share with you guys, we did paint our exterior last year, and now with the new roof, it looks really amazing. Another thing we plan on doing in 2021 is updating the front door. So this has been a work in progress since 2020, but there's been a lot of hiccups on the company's end. So we're hoping this year it will actually become a reality. We just wanted to do something a little bit more updated, get rid of that gold that's on the inside of the glass. So yeah, that's what we're thinking of doing. And how cute is the little Valentine's Day wreath that Uriah made for us? So we're gonna start in the dining room. We recently got some new dining room furniture and I absolutely love it, but I don't feel like it goes with the overall vibe of the dining room. And what I think is throwing it off is this cabinet. So when we first moved into this house, the cabinet was an oak brown color and I just did not love it, and 3 years later, I'm still not in love with it. So I definitely want to do something a little more simple. I feel like this is super fancy. I definitely want to get rid of like this part because it's a little bit bigger. We won't have as many doors. We'll probably have like 2 doors on each side, and then here on the middle, we'll probably do like wine storage. So we definitely want to do something that's more us, but this right here, it ain't it. And I really tried to give it time to grow on us, and I just never end up loving it. So this next thing is a small change, but I really think it's gonna make a huge difference. So we have this wall that separates the living room and the dining room, and I haven't done anything with it since we moved in. At first I was gonna do like picture collage with family pictures, but I didn't want it to look cluttered. I wasn't sure how it was gonna look. So I've decided to do what I think they call picture frame molding. I got the idea off Pinterest, and I'm super excited about this because I think it's really gonna give the wall a wow factor. So we're gonna add that to this wall and also to the wall in the dining room, and I think it's just gonna make a really great overall change. So this is the wall in the dining room that we're gonna add the picture frame molding to. We're gonna get rid of this art and get something new. So this is what the picture frame molding is gonna look like. It's gonna be really similar to the wall that we do in the living room, but not exactly the same. So this next thing is gonna be a fix of a fix, if that makes any sense. So when we first moved into the house, the fireplace had red brick. It had a fireplace insert, so we went ahead and updated it. But the first person who updated it really didn't see my vision. They kept telling me that it couldn't be done the way that I wanted it to be done without doing a whole bunch of changes, but what I wanted was actually pretty simple. So what we're gonna do is completely remove this mantle, and we're gonna do an updated one. And I wanna make sure that the actual mantle and the brick is flush. So as you guys can tell now, the brick kind of sticks out from the mantle, and I don't want that look because it's not right. So we're gonna update this and make it look a lot better. So now moving on to the bathroom. So this bathroom is connected to the mother-in-law suite, and it's the only bathroom that we haven't updated. So as you guys can tell, it has all of its 90s vibes. We have gold frame shower, this big 90s inspired jetted tub. So we're gonna get rid of all of it. We're gonna do a standalone tub, take all of this towel out, do an updated shower with some glass, do some updated towel on the floor. So we have a lot of changes that we're gonna make in here. So pretty much we're gonna completely redo it, and we're gonna be starting on this really soon. We've already started buying stuff to get started with everything. We're gonna add a new door to this linen closet, and yeah, it's gonna look really good, and I'm definitely gonna take you guys along the process of the bathroom so you guys can see the whole thing. Okay, so we've made it to the outside of the house, and we've made a lot of changes out here. We've done some landscaping, got rid of some trees, we built a new deck. So the next thing that we plan on doing is adding a pool back here, and I'm super excited about it. So yeah, we have a lot of different ideas that we've been looking at, and I'm a little bit indecisive as to what exact style we want to do, but we definitely do plan on doing that this year. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing a full house tour of the current state of the house, then definitely let me know and I'll get around to that, because we have made a lot of updates. So I definitely want to do an updated tour. So let me know if you guys want to see that, and I will get to it ASAP. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye!